Welcome to Review Rumble. The best heavy-duty broom is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in your cleaning arsenal. From tackling tough garage messes to keeping your sidewalk spotless, a reliable broom can make all the difference. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of heavy-duty brooms, exploring their features, and helping you find the perfect match for your cleaning needs. Number 5. Yocada 54-inch heavy-duty outdoor broom. This broom head may look used, but it's brand new. We've added a special technology to it. It's designed for durability and effective cleaning. With a 54-inch handle, you won't have to bend over. The long handle allows you to reach every corner, making it easy to keep your space spotless. The broom features stiff and strong 3-layer bristles. It's perfect for collecting rubbish outdoors, whether it's in your courtyard, garage, or market floor. The broom has a soft protective jacket on its iron pole. This makes it comfortable to hold while sweeping, and it protects your hands as you clean. The broom head is about 13 inches wide, allowing you to sweep a large area at once. Remember, it's a new broom, even if it looks like it's been used. What we like. This broom's extra long handle means you won't have to strain your back while cleaning. Its durable bristles are designed to tackle tough messes, and the wide sweeping area allows you to cover more ground in less time. If you have a large area to clean, or if you value comfort and efficiency, this broom is an excellent choice. What people say. The bristles are firm enough to handle outdoor debris like dirt, leaves, and gravel without bending or wearing out quickly. The handle feels solid, and the broom does not feel cheap. This is very well built. The handle is outstanding. It comes in 3 pieces, but don't let that deter you. It's designed in a way that it is very sturdy and has a nice cushion right where your lower hand goes. The bristles are very stiff, but this broom works great in my garage. I think it's going to last a long time. It is primarily an outdoor broom. It might be too stiff for indoor use, but I haven't tried it indoors. Very well built, nice quality, sturdy broom. You don't have to worry about the handle unscrewing, it's very tight and secure. It comes in a nice small box and was delivered very quickly. Putting it together was very easy. None of the bristles have come off, and I don't think they will. I have been using it for about a week now. I have a stamped concrete driveway that is very rough, and the broom does fine sweeping over it. It is able to sweep even sand and dirt easily. Leaves and debris is no problem. On my smooth garage floor it works surprisingly well. Number 4. Quickie Bulldozer 24-inch push broom. Introducing the Quickie Bulldozer push broom. This is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making cleaning a breeze. It features a sturdy 60-inch wood handle, perfect for reaching those hard-to-get areas. The handle also includes a swivel hang-up feature for easy storage. The broom block has a built-in scraper, which is useful for removing stubborn debris. The handle has a 15-16-inch diameter. The broom combines stiff inner fibers with soft outer fibers. This unique design ensures effective sweeping on various surfaces. This product comes with a 5-year limited warranty. You can trust this broom to get the job done. What we like. This broom is designed for versatility, working well on multiple surfaces both indoors and outdoors. The durable wood handle ensures a comfortable grip and long-lasting use. The built-in scraper is a handy feature for tackling stubborn debris. If you need a reliable broom for various cleaning tasks, this one is a great pick. What people say. The brush head's bristles are mixed with a layer of green softer fine bristles surrounding black coarser stiffer bristle in the center of the head. The black bristles back up and support the green more flexible bristles as you are pushing debris with the broom. Then as small fine-sized debris slips through the coarser stiffer bristles, it is caught in a second layer of green bristles to clean smoother surfaces. Number 3. KeFanta 18 Push Broom, Heavy-Duty Outdoor Cleaning. This outdoor broom features an extra-long 63-inch handle, designed in 4 sections. The ergonomic 45 degrees angle design helps reduce strain on your knees and back. The handle and stiff broom head are securely threaded together. The broom is equipped with 6-layer stiff bristles, perfect for sweeping up heavy debris like grass, soil, and snow. It's suitable for both wet and dry conditions, and unlike wooden brooms, it won't rot or deform. With an 18-inch wide head, this broom allows you to cover a large area quickly. It also features 2 handle slots, so you can swap sides to ensure even bristle wear. This heavy-duty garage broom is designed for easy storage. You can detach the broom head from the handle and lock it when not in use. It can also be hung on the wall, saving valuable space. The angled design makes it easier to push than upright brooms. It's versatile enough to clean many types of rough floors in various locations, including warehouses, garages, and patios. What we like. This broom features an extra long handle, so you can clean without bending over. The stiff bristles are perfect for sweeping up heavy debris. The angled design makes it easier to push and maneuver. If you are looking for a broom that is easy to use and effective on tough messes, you should consider this one. What people say. Wide, efficient sweep with durable bristles. The 24-inch brush head covers a lot of ground fast, and the stiff yellow bristles do a fantastic job grabbing up gravel, dirt, and leaves from concrete, asphalt, patio stone, you name it. Solid construction and ergonomic design. Number 2. Eyliden Angle Broom with 57 long handle. This broom is designed for tough jobs. It features firm bristles that can handle heavy debris. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The special split-end technology helps to capture fine dust effectively. This feature allows it to work well on various surfaces without causing scratches. It's a versatile cleaning tool. The broom head is built with strong pet memory bristles. These bristles are designed to resist bending and hold their shape, ensuring long-lasting performance. It's built to last. The 45 degrees angle broom head is designed with ergonomics in mind. This design makes it easier to sweep hard-to-reach corners. It improves comfort during use. Whether you're cleaning sidewalks, garages, or your home, this broom is up to the task. It works great on wood, tile, cement, and laminate floors. It's a multi-use sweeper. The long handle eliminates the need to bend down while sweeping. The interlocking design allows for easy storage and height adjustment. It's convenient to use. What we like. This broom uses split-end bristle technology to capture fine dust, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The durable steel handle ensures longevity, and the angle broom head makes it easy to reach corners. If you want a broom that can handle both heavy debris and fine dust, this is the one for you. What people say. It's nice and strong, comes in pieces but connects together to a good size. Easy to assemble and no issues with it staying together, not too heavy. It's good for outside since the bristles are firm. The handle sections seem to fit together securely and it's kinda nice having the option to omit a section for a shorter broom. It sweeps well and it's not heavy to use. It does so much better than my straw broom. I use this broom out in a garage, almost daily. Number 1. LOLA Handheld Whisk Broom. This handheld whisk broom is made from durable polyfiber bristle. The fibers don't tear or break off, ensuring a mess-free cleaning experience. It's built to last for years. The brush head is 9.5 inches long and 4 inches wide. This design allows it to efficiently whisk away dirt and debris. It makes cleaning a breeze. This whisk broom is perfect for both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. It features a convenient hang hole for easy storage. The nylon bristles make cleanup simple. Cleaning this broom is incredibly easy. Simply rinse the fibers with cool water to remove any dirt or debris. It's designed for convenience. LOLA Products is a family-owned and operated company with over 50 years in business. They are dedicated to providing quality cleaning solutions. You can trust their products. What we like. This compact broom is perfect for quick cleanups, with durable bristles that effectively whisk away dirt and debris. It's easy to store thanks to its compact size and hang hole. If you need a handy broom for small spaces or quick jobs, this is a great choice. What people say. Works great for cleaning my walker wheels after being outdoors. Great size and sturdy bristles. Whisk brooms look exactly like the pictures. Bristles were full, stiff and feel sturdy, not sparse or limp. I bought them for our cars and unless they fall apart on first use, they appear to be a solid choice. Gets in the small spaces in my greenhouse. The handle and the bristles are all plastic. Handy little thing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.